You're leading a team building session tomorrow at work and would like to create something sweet that is delicious and creative. Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we got a great recipe for you with dark chocolate trail mix cookies. So let's get started. Let's create the trail mix. Time for the wet ingredients. Now let's add the dry ingredients. Set your timer for 15 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Cookies originated in Persia, modern-day Iran, a sugar production pioneer in 7 AD. They were originally used as test cakes, where a small amount of cake batter was baked to test oven temperatures. Those look great right out of the oven. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, this cookie has an amazing chocolate flavor and the interior is soft yet chewy. The trail mix provides the right amount of texture and crunch that I'm sure your coworkers will enjoy. Please leave a question and or comment below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. These cookies are a great way to reward everybody's effort. Stay with us, watch another video.